Hey y'all, there it is. She's black. She's back in black. Just got done spraying it about 10 minutes ago or so. We'll let it sit there for, well, at least for a day or two. We're going to still got to finish it up by doing the back painting with the flat black. That's an RPM trademark. I do it because it looks cool and it makes it look finished. You saw when we did that nose cone, it really set the thing off, man. I mean, when Jack come to pick it up, he was blown away. He couldn't believe it. Granted, this is just a side pod, but we do it with all of our body work as well. Everything's back painted with flat black. It just makes everything uniform and clean. But we put the high fill primer on. It was in a rattle can, but I got it at the auto parts store. It's good stuff. Actually, it was only an 8-ounce can. It cost $10. So yeah, it was good stuff. We hand sanded that just real quick with 400 dry. Around disc paper, like so. Just scuffed it down with 400, and there you go. We did before we put the primer on. We did a quick. Didn't go too crazy. You could see the seam, and you'll probably still be able to see it when it gets in the heat, in the sun. But at least there isn't a sharp, gaudy line there anymore. I mean, we've gone this far. If we're gonna put primer on it, we may as well throw a little putty in there. So that's what I did. Whether the heat draws it up and makes it look really bad, we don't know. But I couldn't let it go with all that the way it was. So there you go. That's the repaired finished product. Nice, sharp, clean leading edge or bottom edge. That's it. It looks pretty good. So I'm sure they're going to be happy with it. So that's it. That's it for the side pod. We'll bring you some radiator video here in a few minutes. God bless y'all.